Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you why is Cash App invitation bonus pending. So at the bottom on the right side you'll see that number there. As you can see I have 7. Now if I tap on that number I'll get redirected here where I've invited other people. So as you can see here I have 5 invitations, and basically what I'll have to do is simply click on any of these, and then you get why is the invitation bonus pending. So as you can see, you'll receive this bonus once this person links a new bank account or activate a cash card. So you'll have to simply click on each one of them, and basically you'll understand why is Cash App invitation bonus pending. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.